In this video, we are going to see that if you got this error of 0x80070043, the network name cannot be found, the Windows cannot access this, how we can resolve this. Let's see. So what you can do is just first of all, we want to make sure that we are using Windows 11 Pro. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit the group policy because this option is all about editing the group policy. So let's try edit group policy. We have this option. Just click on that and let me just make it full screen. In the computer configurations, we have the administrative templates. Just go ahead and open this up. Once we are in here, we have the system option that we will drill down as well. And just scroll all the way down to this area in the L section where we have the logon option. And here on our right, we have a couple of settings. In the settings, we will go all the way down to the second last option. Always wait for the network at computer startup or logon. Just double click on that. It will open up the configurations and just make this enabled. Click on apply, click on OK. And after that, what we can do is just close out of here. Just write in the start menu, just write %temp%, hit enter. It will open up a temp folder for you, just like this. And we are going to clear all of this temp files and folders. Don't worry, it doesn't have any bad effect on your Windows. It's just temporary files loaded in your cache. So let's delete that. If some of files cannot be deleted, that's fine. Just click on skip and skip on the couple of files. You want to skip a couple of times and you should be good to go. After that, you want to restart your computer and the problems will be resolved. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.